Hey guys, so we just want to say thank you so much. Our t-shirt campaign is over. It was over on May 8th and it was a huge success, way more than what we ever anticipated. We sold 57 shirts and they will be shipped out, I believe, in the next few days. So you can expect those in the mail for sure by the end of the month. So thank you so much. I hope you guys love them. Let us know what you think about them, and yeah, maybe we'll do something like this again if you guys really liked it. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Last week on Waldesailing.
Oh, no way. Somebody's obviously wrecked it. Who knows how much this piece is going to cost?
Yeah.
And they want $3,100 for it.
No.
Which is why
Oh
that
my
one
goodness.
was silicone together.
This is turning into a daily occurrence that I find Lyndon in here. He's usually cursing. Can't even see him today.
So I just pulled apart this raw water line. It was in the way, so I just pulled it out for ease of access. And I found a bunch of impeller in it. It's been probably 4 or 5 days since I discovered that our oil cooler was leaking, and Volvo wanted $3,100, which is just like way out of my budget for anything in life. So
You finally scraped yourself up off the couch after crying for 4 days.
So yeah, we cried a little bit and then regrouped and figured out what we're gonna do. So I was able to source just a universal marine oil cooler, and you're always fighting with limited space. So I found one that fit, but it's been quite a challenge to find adapters and everything that'll work to make it hook up to the system. So I've been spending days getting adapters and just spending money, driving back and forth. And I had to get some oil lines made up. A couple of these guys, and they didn't work, so I had to get other ones made up. So anyways, it's been a huge pain. And yesterday I was feeling pretty low. But for the most part it's beat. Another thing was our heat exchanger was leaking. So here's the original hose that used to be on it. And one of the bolts had busted off, so somebody had obviously tried to take it apart, busted the head off the bolt, and then it was leaking. Just threaded that and made it adapt, so now I can get the hose from the oil cooler on. And yeah, should go pretty
You
good.
putting that back on then now?
Yeah.
Nice. And then we'll see if it works.
And then, so we're like, what, 2 weeks behind from what we want to be doing? But it's frustrating in the moment. But I'm glad I found all this stuff.
No kidding.
We'll be able to get it going. I'm really excited to start up the engine and see if
Fix the problem.
the problem's fixed.
How much do you think, like if you've got everything now, how much do you think this part was in comparison to the bobble?
So it'll be like $350 it cost me.
Including the mistake hoses and stuff?
Yeah.
And gas.
Not including gas driving around. Everything's hooked back up. Just got to fill up the fluids and then make sure the seacock for the salt water is open. And then fire it up. Hopefully everything will be good.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I pressed
Okay. Start her up again.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah. After fitting the generic oil cooler, finally the engine problem that had been haunting us for a few months was gone. Bring it up a little bit. After all was said and done, we were able to save ourselves quite a few dollars in the process. Is there water coming out?
Yeah, I can hear it. There's still definitely, there was a bit of oil that came out. This is such a loud sound, but this right now is a great sound. That was me. I mean, that was Lyndon. That was not me. Are you feeling good?
Yeah, I feel great.
Good. Good work.
Just have to monitor everything now for a good...
We'll probably monitor it longer than we need to. Hey guys, so very exciting news. I had to turn the white balance on the camera to sunny because it's sunny out. Also, I'm in a t-shirt, so that's really nice. It's pretty quiet around at the marina. Not a lot of people working on boats, which is kind of odd. And Lyndon's been working on building a table here for the cockpit because we don't have one. So, I don't know. I was gonna go see where he is. We've been arguing a little bit today. Tensions are just a little high. We've been in the marina for a long time, and yeah, it's close quarters, so tensions can run high sometimes, but oh well, still love him. We'll see where he is. Lyndon has yet another project taking over the whole boat, but this one is also pretty exciting. Probably more exciting than the last one, but just equally necessary, more exciting.
I'm just trying to get this. This is our water maker. It's a Power Survivor 35, which they don't make this unit anymore. I don't know how old it is. It's probably pretty old. But I'm just trying to see if I can clean out the membrane to make sure we're getting good clean water. I don't really know anything about them, except for I checked and the membrane is like $300-400, so
Hopefully ours is still good.
hopefully it's still good.
This is so weird. It's like a heart.
That's very true, because without water, your heart will stop. Without this, no this.
Oh. That was
deep.
That was a real journey you just took us on with a real verbal journey you just took us on, Lyndon.
So the water maker is just in its final stages of cleaning. The filter's soaking in the cleaner. We have a tank, a water tank in here that we've never used, and I know that the water maker is directed into that. So we've been tracing hoses, trying to figure out what goes where, but then we just ended up finding that this filter, which filters our water, which actually doesn't even have a filter in it, the fittings are leaking. So awesome that we found it, but now you gotta
take it out.
Take it out and get it working.
Just be careful there, okay? There you go, my 2 cents.
If I dare,
Oh my goodness! You joke, but you've done that before. And you got the filter in there too, hey? Man,
Yeah,
the water
I need to clean it.
is gonna taste so much better.
This filter doesn't really fit, but it does.
Are you sure that's the What was that? What was that?
Just $100 bill.
No, what was it?
It's just fitting.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's so gross.
Perfect. Ooh, I hear it. I can feel air rushing. Oh, and water spraying. Water spraying. Water spraying. Good boy.
That looks like that hose needs to be tightened up.
It does. Hey, looks good. I'll have to see if the water pressure goes off. If that was the fix. Nice work, babe. You're the best.
Too bad that wasn't something on the list.
I know. Oh man.
No, but the water.
Just quickly go add it to the list, then you can cross it out. Lyndon's going up the mast. This is the first time we've ever done this. Ah, you ready?
It's a little tighter than I thought it was going to be.
Wow. If you fall. Oh, you got a crotch strap there too?
I should have stepped through.
Yeah. Tell these folks what you're doing up there.
I gotta get our wind indicator to work.
And you're gonna do the lights too, aren't you?
Oh yeah, and then I want to upgrade the light, so.
Sheesh. What would you do without me?
Okay. I love you. It's okay. How's that? We gotta go up a little higher. Ready? Yeah. Okay, that's as high as you can go. Yeah.
Made it?
Made it.
Were you scared?
Yeah. I was legitimately pretty scared.
Really?
Especially going like up, looking up. I was like, I don't know if I can do this.
When did you start feeling that?
That I couldn't do it?
Yeah.
When I was standing right here, looking up.
Oh, babe.
But I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna go up this. Okay, I'm okay. Okay, I'll just go up one more.
What about around the radar?
That was okay.
Wow.
Here's our wind. Definitely needs something.
Oh, so it's not broken.
No, those are all good, but like you can hear it.
Yeah, like
No, there was a squeak before.
I heard it, but like the bearings are gone? Is that the right word? Bearing? Is there a bearing
We'll see.
in there?
There should be bearings in here, yeah.
Yeah, Tiff. Well, it's good that it's not broken. I was thinking it was broken.
Oh yeah, and then our anchor light is
Oh my goodness.
melted.
How does that even happen?
Because it's an incandescent bulb.
So it got hot enough to melt?
Yeah.
You just recoup. Do you need an Oreo?
Yeah.
I'll get you an Oreo.
Here.
My secret stash. So it's so nice outside. We're gonna go eat dinner outside. I just made burritos, so it's super easy.
First time.
First time eating outside this year. Ow. So, upon coming out and the sun being down, we're just gonna eat inside because it's cold. Are we wimps? We're wimps.
We're wimps.
I bought something at the grocery store and it's pretty monumentous. It's the first one of the year and I'm pretty sure it documents like the first day of spring. Ta-da! Watermelon! Lyndon does not seem nearly as excited as I am about the watermelon. He's gone outside. Finally cleaning up his mess.
This is your mess too.
It's our first really nice sunny day on the boat and we took the, rolled the bimini up.
So nice.
And we pulled the cushions out and everybody's out on their boat.
Barbecues are going.
It's so nice.
There's laughter to be had.
Laughter to be had, a little bit of day drinking to be had. Anyway, we should get going and I should probably get into the shade because I'm probably getting a sunburn.
How's it going, Tiff?
Good. This is one of these projects that I didn't know I was going to do right now. It's just one of the ones that it'll probably only get done in this moment because you're going to install the table and then it will never get done. So, anyway. Look at this. That's a nice table, Lyndon.
Don't show them this.
And there's the first dinner on it. Not a bad night. Join us next week as we head out back on the water. If you'd like to find out more or support us on this adventure, click on our Patreon link. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.